Alright, so now we have here is the cannelloni stuffed with lentils. And I'm going to put some, this is the cocoa butter I'm going to use on top of it. And here's the cannelloni. Here are the lentils that I made. They were orange when I started. So, yeah, I Googled them and they call them Egyptian lentils. Fun fact. So, I'm going to finish stuffing these. And I'm going to make a cream out of this. Bershki. I'm going to put some kurkuma on it. Kurkuma. Here. Some smetana. And this is the seasoning that I use for the lentils. This. Okay. And yeah, and there's a mosquito. So that's wonderful. Here's a cannelloni. Open it. Oh, this mosquito, get out of here. And then I just put this here like this. About 3 spoonfuls of this. And I'll just take it and oh, and there's butter. I put some butter on the aluminum foil. And then I just take, if there's some squeezing out here, I just take it and brush it off. And scoop it off. Like that. I need a little more here. I don't know if you can see out, but so I just get a tiny bit more. Put it. And put it there. And then after I'm finished lighting these up, I'm going to take this cocoa butter and put the cocoa butter over it with some kurkuma and put it in the oven. And while that's cooking, I'm going to make a cream sauce with this coconut flour, this cream, and some smetana. Okay, so I finished. And I have these. Actually, I'm going to take one of these and put them down here just to give them a little bit more space. Okay. There. Okay. Now I'm going to take this cocoa butter, and I don't need a big piece. I'm going to try to get a smaller piece. Okay. So I just got a little piece here like this. Hope you guys can see it. And I'm just going to rub this here like this. Just a little bit. There's a fly in here from here. And it's not melting like I want it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some water and melt it a little bit. Oh, and this cannelloni fell apart, so I'm going to show you how I use like broken cannelloni. So for now, I'm just going to put it here with the lentils so that I can use this. I'm going to use this pan to melt the cocoa butter. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the cocoa butter, put it in here, and then really have to twist. And actually I'm going to take a little bit of this garlic, and I'm putting it with the cocoa butter. Take it off the heat. And I'm just going to cut this really quick. And chop this and put it in with the cocoa butter. Let's see really quick. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it's already melted, so that's all you need. Just get the pot hot. Maybe I'll use a little bit more cocoa butter. That's too big. I'm trying to get this here, the piece right here. Trying to get when you hear it sizzling, that's enough. Because just the heat from the pan is enough. So I'm just going to roll that around, get it nice and melted. And now I can take the knife. Just melt it. I just want a little bit of the cocoa butter here. I mean, sometimes I use dairy, butter from cow's milk, but you can use cocoa butter also. It's okay. Put it back in here. It's not melting enough. And I'll just roll it around easier. Here we go. And for whatever doesn't melt, I'll just put it here. And then I can take the, Gucci blanket is falling down. Gucci, I mean not Gucci. And I can take the cannelloni and just roll it around in the pan of the melted cocoa butter. Because that's good. See, now it's on there. So I'm going to get a nice flavor. Because sometimes kurkuma can be bitter. And you don't want it. I mean, unless you like it, okay. Okay, so I'm going to put them, have the garlic. I'm going to put this cocoa butter over there. And just try to get all that goodness. Cocoa butter goodness. This one, did it get any cocoa butter? And then, so now we have that. That's good. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle a little kurkuma on it. just some for flavor. And kurkuma is for the health benefits, really good. It's anti-inflammatory. It's really good for you. That's it. And I told you I use this with the lentils. It's simple. I use butter, but you can use like a cows dairy, but you can use cocoa butter if you want. Sometimes I use it. I've been doing that lately, and because for me, I just thought, for skincare, but you can use it for other things. Okay, so I'm gonna, because I want it to be a little bit. I want to try to make a coating for it. So I want to sprinkle some of this coconut flour. I'm going to put it into my hand first because, I want to try to see if I can make it a little bit crunchy. So I'm just going to take this and sprinkle it like so. Like so. This. And then hopefully it'll adhere to that cocoa butter. This coconut flour it's dense. It's real dense. So it can soak up like everything, pretty much. I've cooked with it before, and I'm put up a recipe. I've made cookies with it. I've made vegan cookies. No butter. You can use cocoa butter. And the flour is so dense. Excuse me, the flour is so dense that you see. I don't know because the lighting here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really dense. Like really. They use like the pulp here of the coconuts, and it's really good for you. You don't have to worry about any toilet issues. If you get my meaning. So I'm just gonna do this. The oven is preheated on low because you're not really cooking anything. It's already cooked. So I'm gonna just put that over there. I will show you. Hold on a second. I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah. Get a nice, you can see. I'll take a picture, but this is what it's looking like right now. Crunchy, cocoa butter, Kurkuma, Cannelloni.